Hey everybody, and welcome back to Cooking with Payton. This week, we'll be making chicken fried steak. And of course, let's go put on our aprons before we start. We're going to start with 2 bowls, and fill one of them up with flour. Add salt, pepper, and paprika. Feel free to add any other spices or herbs that you wish. Whisk together. Crack 3 eggs into the other bowl. And beat the eggs until mixed. Grab some cube steak. Throw one side into the flour, press firmly, and then flip. Then transfer the meat into the eggs. Make sure to press down so the meat can soak up all the eggs into the flour. Coat in flour once again, making sure to press down. Flip. And let rest on a plate. We're going to set our stove to medium-high and cover the bottom of our skillet with vegetable oil. You can tell how hot the oil is getting by hovering your hand over the pan. Once hot, add your steaks to the pan, making sure to not overcrowd them while cooking. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Once your light golden brown crust has formed, you know that your steaks are done. Let your steaks rest on a baking sheet in a 250-degree oven while we make our gravy. Lightly cover the bottom of a skillet in vegetable oil. Once it is heated up, add a small amount of flour to thicken it all. Whisk to combine. This will form what is known as a roux and is the base of our gravy. Slowly add more flour to thicken and whisk to combine. Slowly add milk. Whisk together. Add more flour if the thickness is not how you want it. Let cook on medium-low heat until it all starts to thicken up. Your gravy should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, like here. And add pepper for taste. Last but not least, plate and serve.